Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Master Sudhir. In this video, you are going to learn how to draw the line graph of the given data. So let's see here, draw a line graph of the following data. Day and temperature in degrees Celsius is given. So to represent this data, to draw the line graph of this data, let's take this graph, which is x-axis, y-axis, and origin. On x-axis, it is day. On y-axis, it is temperature. In degrees Celsius. So the first one, on Monday, it is 20 degrees Celsius. So on Monday, 20. So the corresponding value or point is here. And on Tuesday, it's 25. And on Wednesday, 21. How shall we represent 21? So here, if you observe that this is 1 centimeter, which consists of the small lines or 10. So 1 centimeter divided by 10. So it is 0.1. So here it is 20. The next line is the small line is 20 plus 0.1. So 20.1. The next one is 20.2. Next one is 20.3. If it is the distance between them is 1 unit, 1 centimeter. But in this case, here it is 5 centimeter, right? 20 to 25, it is 1 centimeter is 5 units. So when it is 5 units, so we have to divide 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. Now this is 20. The first small line is 20 plus 0.5 is 20.5. The second small line is 21. Like that we have to count it. So finally we'll get here it is 25. So there are 10 lines, right? Starts with 20. The next one is 20.5. The next one is 21. And the next one is 21.5. The next one 22. And the next one 22.5. Next one 23. The next one is 23.5. The next one 24. The next one is 24.5. And then it is 25. So this is 20. This is first small line, second small line, third one, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. This is 10th one. 10th one is nothing but 25. Got it? So since if it is 21, Wednesday is temperature is 21. So 20, the next small line is 20.5. So the second line is 21. So this is 21 degrees Celsius. Similarly, the next one is Thursday is 35 degrees Celsius. 35 directly we can mark it here. Next, Friday is 18. Friday is 18 means we'll use the same method. So each one is 0.5 is increasing, right? So 18 means after 15. 15, 15.5, 16, 16.5. Fourth one is 17, 17.5. Right? So if you observe this is 15. The next small line 15.5, and the next one is 16. The next one 16.5, 17, 17.5. So this is 18. This is 18 means on Friday it is 18, right? So on Friday this is 18. Next one is on Saturday 27. 27 on Saturdays. This is 25, 25.5, 26, 26.5, and 27. So 27.5 is here. Sunday it is 30 degrees Celsius. Now join these points using the scale. So please use the scale. This is the line graph of the given data. All right, the scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. The next one on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Let's see the next one. Draw a linear graph of the following data. So here side of a square in centimeters and perimeter of a square in centimeters is given. So the first one usually will take on x-axis. The second values I will take on y-axis. Then let's take this graph. This is x-axis, origin, and y-axis. Let's write this is side of a square in centimeters and perimeter of a square. Of a square in centimeter. So the first one is 2,8. See here on x-axis it is 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Let's write the scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. But here 5 units we have taken, right? So let's change it. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. What is 5 units? as we discussed now, each small line is 0.5 centimeters, right? Using that concept, let's take 2 comma 8, 2 on x-axis and 8. 8 means 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8. 0.5 will be increased, right? So this is 2 comma 8. We also can write the coordinates. And the next one is 3 comma 12. 3 and 12 means 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. Right? So this is 3 comma 12. And the next one is 4 comma 16. Now this is 15, 15.5, 16. So this is 4 comma 16. And the next one is 5 comma 20. This is exactly 5 comma 20. And the next one is 6 comma 24. 24 means here. Now let's join these points using the scale. So since it's a straight line, it can be extended endlessly on both sides. So this is the required linear graph of the given data. And now let's draw the bar graph of the given information. Year and interest in lakhs of rupees. So the first one is 1995 to 96, or 1995 to 96 is 20. So when you draw the bar graph, we'll use the rectangles. This is the first bar of the given data. When you draw the bar graph from the origin, if you leave the 1 centimeter space, after the bar, the width of the bar also should be 1 centimeter. And after drawn this bar, again we should leave the same space, 1 centimeter, and we have to draw the next 1 centimeter, take it as a width, and draw the next bar. So the next one is 1996 to 97, it is 25. So this is the second bar of the bar graph. Let's go. So the second bar is over. Then go to the third bar. Is 1997 to 98, 15. This is the third bar. I left the same width, 1 centimeter, and I use the 1 centimeter as the width of the next bar. It's the same concept again. Leave 1 centimeter a gap, and we'll use 1 centimeter as the width for the next bar. So this is the next bar for the given data. 1998 to 99 is 18. Next, let's go to the last one. Again, leave 1 centimeter as the gap and take 1 centimeter as the width for the next bar. So this is the last bar, and so this is the bar graph representation of the bar graph for the given information. Now we are going to draw the histogram of the given information. Let's use this graph sheet. And if you observe this, as you know that the distance between two thick lines is 1 centimeter. So it should have the same width, right? But when it comes to the first one, this is 0 to 1995. It is not same. At the same time, we cannot write 1, 2, 3 or 100, 200, 300, 400 on the scale. If you want to represent, you also can represent 100, 200, 300. It's your wish. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 also. But when it comes here, if all our width is same, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, except the first one, then we'll use here a broken line. This can be used either on x-axis or y-axis as per our requirement. That means till this part is folded, right? So thereafter we can continuously give the numbers. Same width can be used except the first one, either on x-axis or y-axis or both axes if it is required. I hope so you got it right. So I'll draw the histogram of the given information. There is a small difference between the bars and histogram. A histogram also consists of bars, but whereas come to the bar graph, there is a gap between the bars, right? When there is no gap between the bars, then we'll call it as histogram. That's all. Let's draw the histogram for the given data. This is the first bar. So this is the second bar. If you observe that there is no gap between the bars. And this is for fourth bar. And let's go to the last bar, then histogram is constructed. You can obtain the draw the histogram of the given data. They completed. So this is the required histogram of the given information.